During 2004, Nike's net sales were 12.25 billion, and in 2005, net sales were 13.74 billion. Write a linear equation given the net sales y in terms of x, then use this data to predict 2006. So the first thing we need to do is we need to come up with 2 points. And x is always time. So in 2004, my net sales were 12.25 billion. And in 2005, my net sales were 13.74 billion. Now, we need to figure out what happens in 2006. So the first thing I need to do is I need to find my slope. The change in y, so these are my y terms, over the change in x. Now we need to be careful that these two are 1 point, which they are, and those two top and bottom are 1 point, which they are. So on the top I get negative 1.49, and on the bottom I get negative 1. Therefore my slope is 1.49. So that equals my slope. So from there I'm going to take my point slope formula. My slope is 1.49. Part of this problem had one other piece. It said let x equals 0 for 2000, or excuse me, let x equal 0 in the year 2000, which means this is going to be 4. That's going to represent 5. So 4, 5 still gets us the same slope. But the reason why they disclaim that is because I need to use 4 as the point. So x and the opposite of x plus y. When I distribute this, I get y equals 1.49x minus 5.96 plus 12.25. So my final equation will look something like this. Y equals 1.49x plus 6.29. So there's my equation. Now, the next piece says, then use this data to predict 2006. So 2006, I'm going to use x as 6. So I'm going to go into this equation right here, and I'm going to say y equals 1.49. Instead of x, I'm going to use 6 plus 6.29. When I simplify this data, I get 15.23 billion in sales.